What are the codes and regulations to be followed by plumbers while installing boiler in Texas? When installing boilers in Texas, plumbers are required to adhere to specific codes and regulations to ensure the safety, efficiency, and compliance of the installation. The following are some of the codes and regulations that plumbers should follow when installing boilers in Texas. 1. Texas Boiler Law. Plumbers must comply with the regulations outlined in the Texas Boiler Law, which governs the installation, operation, and maintenance of boilers in the state. The law sets forth requirements for boiler inspections, licensing, and permits. 2. Texas Administrative Code, TAC. The Texas Administrative Code provides detailed guidelines and standards for the installation of boilers. Plumbers should refer to TAC Title 16, Chapter 65 for specific rules and requirements related to boiler installation. 3. National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, codes. Plumbers should be familiar with relevant NFPA codes, such as NFPA 85, Boiler and Combustion Systems Hazards Code, and NFPA 54, National Fuel Gas Code. These codes provide guidelines for boiler installation, fuel supply, combustion systems, and safety precautions. 4. Manufacturer's instructions. Plumbers should carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations provided with the boiler. These instructions specify the proper installation procedures, clearances, venting requirements, and other essential details specific to the particular make and model of the boiler. 5. Local building codes. Plumbers must comply with local building codes and regulations specific to the jurisdiction where the boiler is being installed. Local codes may include requirements for clearances, ventilation, flue pipes, electrical connections, and other aspects of boiler installation. 6. Permits and inspections. Plumbers may need to obtain permits from the local building authority before installing a boiler. Additionally, inspections may be required at various stages of the installation process to ensure compliance with codes and regulations. 7. Licensing and certification. Plumbers performing boiler installations should hold the appropriate licenses and certifications required by the state of Texas. These certifications demonstrate their competence and knowledge in boiler installation and maintenance. It's important for plumbers to stay updated with any changes or amendments to codes and regulations related to boiler installation in Texas. Consulting local building authorities, professional associations, and regulatory agencies can provide plumbers with the most current information and guidance. By following these codes and regulations, plumbers can ensure that boiler installations in Texas meet safety standards, are in compliance with legal requirements, and contribute to the overall well-being and protection of occupants.